Kids Vision TV.
Hello everyone, today I am drawing a mermaid, a Ariel Mermaid. First I am drawing its hair and its hand. Now I am drawing its face. I am drawing its eyes. I am drawing its eyebrows and eyelashes. Now I am drawing its lips and its body and its arm. Now I am drawing its chest and its belly. Now I am going to down and drawing a flower. And I am drawing a tail. I am drawing a sea plant. I am drawing a star. I am drawing another sea plant. Dark green color, pear color, light green color, yellow color, orange color, dark pink color, red color, blue color, purple color. Now I am going to color. Let's color with me. First I am coloring its hair red color. I am coloring its shiny hair. I love Ariel. I am coloring the flower dark pink color. Now I am coloring its face with skin color. I am coloring its hand and its arm. Now I am coloring its body. I am coloring its second hand. I am coloring its belly. I am coloring its chest with purple color. I am coloring in a plant, light green color and dark green color, pear color. Now I am coloring its tail with dark green color.
Subscribe us for more videos.
Now I am coloring in a tail, dark green color. I am coloring a second one with dark green color and yellow color. Yellow color. I am coloring in a starfish with funny yellow color. A starfish with dark pink color. I am coloring in a sea plant with orange color. Pink color. I am coloring another sea plant with dark green color and green color. I am coloring in water drops, dark blue color.
Subscribe us for more videos.